Stealthy, rugged, tested beyond endurance. This is the new Bremont Altitude MB Meteor Stealth Grey. Since Davide Cerato took over as CEO, many feared Bremont would lose its toolwatch DNA. But the Altitude MB Meteor proves otherwise. Inspired by the legendary MB-1, the only watch tested to survive Martin Baker's brutal ejection seat trials, this new Stealth Grey edition takes toughness into a new dimension. The 42mm Grade 2 titanium case stands just 12.2mm tall, with Bremont's signature triptych construction. Lightweight, yet incredibly robust, it's finished in an ultra-matte, light-absorbing texture, a nod to stealth aircraft. Water resistance is 100 meters, and the knurled barrel is matched by two oversized crowns, one for time, the other for the bi-directional roto-click bezel, which delivers that satisfying mechanical snap. But the star of the show is the dial. Embossed with a meteorite-inspired texture, created by scanning a real meteorite, it's paired with propeller-style hands and luminous indices. White superluminova glows blue in the dark, while the yellow seconds hand with its striped counterweight recalls the pull handle of an ejector seat. Inside, Bremont powers the watch with the caliber BB14AH based on the La Jupere G100. It offers 68 hours of power reserve, shock and anti-magnetic protection, and a display back revealing a gunmetal rotor with Geneva stripes. Limited to just 400 pieces, the Stealth Grey comes on a matte titanium bracelet with a concealed clasp and quick-release system. Retailing at €6,900, this is a watch born from aviation, tested beyond endurance, and designed for those who want stealth with substance. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more watch reviews and first looks every week.